Happy birthday, Sahil. Have a great year ahead.
Happiest birthday, Sahil bhai.
Wish you happy birthday, Sai.
ભગવાન તમને દુનિયાભરનું સુખ આપે ને ડગલે ને પગલે તમારી પ્રગતિ થાય.
જીવનભરની સમૃદ્ધિ મળે, તમને જીવનભરની ખુશી મળે.
આખી દુનિયાને ખુશ રાખવા વાળો માલિક હર પળ તમારી ખુશીનું ધ્યાન રાખે.
How are you? This is for you.
Ambitious,
Approachable.
agreeable.
Happy quarantine birthday.
It's time to celebrate another trip you made around the sun.
Hope you would have an amazing day on your special day. You are like an old wine for me.
Once again, have a great
one, brother.
Enjoy your day.
One more candle added to your birthday cake. Many happiness of the day, Sahil. This year you have got a beautiful gift in the form of Arush.
God bless you, dear. He is made soon.
Hi Sahil, happy birthday. God bless you.
હેપી બર્થડે સાહિલ. સાહિલ, આપણા ફેમિલીનો હસતો છોકરો એટલે તું છે. ઓલવેઝ તારા ફેસ પર તારા પપ્પાની જેમ સ્માઇલ જોઈ છે. આવી સ્માઇલ ઓલવેઝ બની રહે તારા પર. એ જ આશીર્વાદ. તારી ફેમિલી લાઈફ આગળ બહુ સરસ ચાલે અને આવી જ રીતે તું હસતો રહે અને હસાવતો રહે. અચ્છા, હવે એક ચીજ યાદ કરાવું છું સાહિલ, બચપનની તને યાદ છે તું નાનો હતો ત્યારે યશાના કપડાં પહેરતો? તને ગર્લ્સના કપડાં બહુ ગમતા હતા. તને ચણિયા ચોળી પણ પહેરાવ્યા છે અમે. હવે આ જ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ અમે આરુષ પર કરશું અને આરુષમાંથી આરુષી બનાવશું. તને તારા બચપનના દિવસો યાદ કરાવશું. સાહિલ, તું આ લોકડાઉન પીરિયડમાં એટલો લકી છે કે તને તારા ચાઇલ્ડને બોર્ન એન્ડ બ્રોટ અપથી જોવાનો લાવો મળ્યો છે. ક્યારેક જ કોઈક ફાધરને આવો લાવો મળે કે જેને ઓફિસ પણ ઘરેથી હોય, વર્ક ફ્રોમ હોમ હોય છે જેને, અને આવો લાવો ક્યારેક જ કોઈ ફાધરને મળે છે જે તું બહુ લકી છે. એનીવે, લોકડાઉન પીરિયડ તો તારા માટે બહુ લકી થઈ ગયો છે અને બસ આ જ રીતે તું આગળ વધતો રહે અને તારી ફેમિલી લાઈફ સરસ રહે. એ જ આશીર્વાદ કાકા કાકીના.
Happy birthday Sahil bhai.
Enjoy your birthday with new family member Arush. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday Sahil Kumar.
Happy birthday Sahil Kumar.
Stay blessed and have a nice day.
નાના સાહિલ બોલવા માંડ્યો તો હવે લઈને આવ્યા.
Happy birthday Sahil Kumar.
Happy birthday, Sahil Kumar.
Happy birthday, Sahil Kumar.
Many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Zuki. Have an awesome one and have an awesome year actually, especially this year with Arush. So yeah man, enjoy this birthday in this quarantine COVID times, but I bet it has its own perks. So you say.
I don't know much about you, but I know that you're a fitness freak. So I wish you a very happy birthday and I hope you remain fit throughout your life and so does your son. Have a great year.
Chal.
Hi Sahil Jiju, wish you many happy returns of the day. Congratulations to you and Hiral Didi for Arush. We are really waiting to meet Arush, so come soon.
Hi Sahil, wish you many happy returns of the day. Hope you enjoy your day with your little gift this year, Arush, and hope that we catch up soon after the lockdown gets lifted.
Hi Sahil, happy birthday. The best thing I remember about you is your amazing killer performance of Salman Khan, which you dedicated to Hiral on your Sangeet night. It was just awesome. Hope to see such live performance very soon after the lockdown ends.
Yes, we will party soon after the lockdown. Enjoy.
Sahil, wish you a very happy birthday, sending you smiles for every moment of your special day. Have a wonderful day and a year. Hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. Thank you.
Happy birthday Sahil, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you and hope you have a great day. Hope you are blessed with all the good health, wealth and prosperity in life. And may all the new coming years bring you good luck.
Hi Jiju, happy birthday. Enjoy your quarantine birthday. This is your first birthday with Arush. Enjoy.
So you have to give us a party for your birthday as well as for Arush's birth. Like obviously we are waiting to eat a lot of meetha. So please give us a party soon and please send Arush fast. We want to meet him. Like we are waiting eagerly.
Totally.
Yeah. Have a blast.
Bye.
Hi Jiju, how are you? Hi Didi, wish you many happy returns of the day, Jiju.
Hi, many happy returns of the day, and this one is extra special as you have a special person who is doubling the happiness this year. So you are not celebrating it, but you have an additional member who will increase the celebrations manifold. Enjoy your day, keep smiling.
Yeah, keep smiling, and I hope you keep dancing, and I hope Arush makes you dance more and more. So yeah, take care, meet you soon, bye.
Bye.
Hi Sahil, happy birthday. Have a great year ahead and have a wonderful birthday.
Hi Sahil, happy birthday. Enjoy the birthday in lockdown and God bless you.
Hey Sahil, wish you many happy returns of the day. Have a great day and year ahead.
This birthday is going to be wonderful and very special because Arush is going to be with you.
Sahil, we have some lovely memories. The match, what we won out of nowhere, the Daman trip, the drive from the ground to the
हेलो ब्रो, विश यू many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. बाप बन गया, उसकी पार्टी बाकी है और बर्थडे की पार्टी बाकी है. बाकी निपटी तो अपने को नीचे ही चाहिए और कमाएगा. और विश यू many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे वंस अगेन. स्टे ब्लेस्ड, कीप सपोर्टिंग अस एंड व्हाट एल्स. एंजॉय योर डे.
Hi Sahil, wish you a very happy birthday man. May God bless you with all the happiness you want and may God fulfill you all your desires. तेरे को तो डबल मुबारकबादी देनी है, तो आरुष की और तेरे बर्थडे की. एज़ फार एज तेरी मेमोरीज आर कंसर्न, इतनी मेमोरीज़ है कि मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. मतलब बोलते जाऊँगा तो 3 घंटे की पिक्चर बन जाएगी. मतलब द मोमेंट्स वी स्पेंड व्हेन आई जॉइंड बिरला, तब से लेके अभी तक इतनी सारी यादें, इतने सारे आउटिंग्स किए हमने, इतने सारे अच्छे मोमेंट्स, ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट्स शेयर किए. ऑफिस में हो या कहीं पे भी हो, मीटिंग में भी जाते थे हम तभी भी. सो आई ऑलवेज एन्जॉयड योर कंपनी एंड यू आर अ गुड पर्सन. मतलब कभी तेरे से कोई चीज़ की हेल्प अगर मांगो तो तू कभी ना नहीं बोलता. यू डोंट डिसअपॉइंट द अदर पर्सन. यू आर ऑलवेज अ हेल्पिंग हैंड. जब से मैंने ज्वाइन किया तब से तो हमेशा मेरा साथ देता है, हमेशा मेरी मदद करता रहा है. मीटिंग्स में आने के लिए कभी मुझे मना नहीं किया. एंड आई एडमायर यू बिकॉज योर हार्ट इज़ प्योर. बहुत साफ दिल है तेरा. मतलब जो भी दिल में होता है सीधा बोल डालता है, तो दिल में रहता नहीं है. दैट इज़ गुड क्वालिटी इन यू एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. अब तो बाप बन चुका है तो 2 हुक्का लेना पड़ेगा अभी. enjoy, take care, and many happy returns of the day once again. Thank you.
Hi Sahil, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you for being such a motivated colleague and an amazing friend. और हाँ, अभी चार्ट देख के बताती हूँ दोपहर में.
Hey Sahil, how are you? Congratulations for being a new dad.
Say hi to Arush.
Give love.
Lots and lots of love. Wish you
A very happy birthday, Sahil. God bless you. Take care. Enjoy your day. Cheers, bro. See you soon.
See you soon. Meet
We'll
you
party
soon.
hard. Yo.
Happy birthday, Sahil. Arush ki Baba, that's for you. Have a lovely happy birthday.
I wish you many happy returns of the day.
God bless you. Take care. Hey, wish you many happy returns of the day, Sahil.
Hey Sahil bhai, wishing you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे.
Hi Sahil, happy birthday brother. Wish you many happy returns of the day brother. Stay blessed.
Jamai Raja, came show. Wish you a very happy birthday and have a fantastic year. Enjoy your day. Cheers. Bye.
Hi Sahil, how are you?
Hey Rockstar, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday Sahil. Keep rocking and keep smiling as always. Cheers.
Hey Sahil, wish you a very happy birthday. Congratulations for being father. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Sahil. God bless you. And I would love to see more of your pics with Arush. Enjoy your very first birthday with Arush.
Hey Sahil, wish you many happy returns of the day, and first of all many congratulations for being a father. So I just hope that you have a great fatherhood this year and taking forward for whole life. All the best, stay safe and have a blast. Cheers.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sahil.
Wish you a very happy birthday Sahil.
સાહિલ હવે જલ્દી બહાર નીકળો. મારો ડાન્સ પાર્ટનરને હું મિસ કરું છું. મસ્ત ડાન્સ કરીએ જલ્દી.
અને હું વિડિયો લઈશ. તમારો વિડિયોગ્રાફર.
Once again happy birthday.
God bless you.
Bye.
Hi Sahil, wishing you a very happy birthday. This year you've got the biggest gift you ever wanted. Congratulations for Arush. Have a very wonderful birthday.
Hi Sahil, have a great day. Enjoy your first birthday being a father.
Happy birthday to you जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे. हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Sahil.
Happy birthday Sahil.
Enjoy with your little chuttu.
Thank you.
Hi Sahil.
Hi Sahil.
How are you?
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hope you are doing good.
Enjoy your birthday with your baby.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
God bless you always.
We love you.
Hope to meet soon. Bye-bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sahil. This year you have already received the most precious gift of your life well in advance. So don't ask for any more gifts from here now. Just stay blessed, happy and healthy, spending the family time and making the most beautiful memories with your munchkin. Happy birthday once again.
Hi हीरल के पति.
अरे नहीं
अभी तो आरुष के पापा।
Oh yeah, Arush ke papa. Happy birthday, bro.
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Enjoy the lockdown birthday, yara.
एंजॉय योर डे।
God bless
गॉड
you.
ब्लेस यू।
Happy birthday.
हैव अ हैप्पीएस्ट क्वारंटाइन बर्थडे। टेक केयर।
Hi Sahil, happy birthday.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day. Though we didn't really meet a lot of time, but all I know about you from here is that you're a super caring and a super sweet guy, and now an awesome dad. So waiting to meet you and Sahil Jr. soon. He is ditto your copy, and I really wish our babies will be really good friends.
Happy birthday once again. Have a great one.
Yeah,
We'd
have
love
a
to
great
meet you-
one.
We'd love to meet you soon.
Yes, definitely planning to meet you all soon. So lots of love till then. See ya. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Sahil. Happy birthday, bro. God bless you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे साहिल, टेक केयर। पार्टी बाकी रहेगी तेरी रंग की।
Hello, Sahil bhai. I hope you are fine and not much bored in this endless lockdown. As technically you are my kaka, but I've always called you Sahil bhai, just so that you won't get that uncle feeling. Anyways, happy 32nd birthday. Or shall I say first quarantine birthday? Well, whatever it is, just celebrate your birthday, enjoy your day, as well as the weekend. LOL. Well, that's lots of love. Bye.
Hey Sahil of Patidev, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots of happiness and success in life. Today I want to tell you something. I feel really lucky to have you as a husband in my life. There are so many good things about you. I don't know मैं कितनी सारी बातें करूँ इस छोटे से वीडियो में मैं सारी चीज़ें नहीं कह सकती हूँ बट ये एक चीज़ कहना चाहती हूँ I feel lucky to have you as a husband is because you've always treated me as a friend and not like a typical husband. आपने मुझे इतनी फ्रीडम दी अपनी मतलब आई हैव जस्ट बीन माई सेल्फ विथ यू एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ आवर रिलेशनशिप. Just forget about me. I have seen you grown each and every day. You are an amazing son. At this small age, you have taken up so many responsibilities. Hats off to you. Let's talk about being brother. You have been like a friend to Urvil, which is the best thing. आजकल मैं देखती हूँ मैं अपने भाई से कितना लड़ती हूँ पर आप उर्विल के साथ हमेशा कामली बिहेव करते हो. आप उसे कभी कुछ नहीं कहते हो. You have been a backbone to Urvil. And of course you have been an amazing husband. I don't have to say anything about it. And let's talk about being father. Arush is one real lucky guy जिसको ऐसे फादर मिले हैं जो अपने आप में इतने खुश रहते हैं. After Arush has come into our life, you have changed completely. You have taken up so many responsibilities. मुझे नहीं पता था आप ये सब भी कर सकते हो. You have been an amazing father. It's just been 2 months to Arush and I see so many changes in you. Thank you Sahil for doing so much for us. आप इतनी सारी प्लानिंग हमारे लिए करते हो. We feel blessed. I and Arush totally feel blessed. In fact our whole family feels blessed. हमने बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखे हैं लाइफ में साहिल पर एक चीज़ आपने कभी नहीं बदली. यू नेवर लूज होप. आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहे हो. आपने हमेशा हर चीज़ स्माइल करके बस लेट गो की है. हमारी लाइफ में बहुत बड़े बड़े अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं बट मैं टूटी आप नहीं टूटे हो. लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट द बैड थिंग्स. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द गुड थिंग. द वन थिंग दैट मेड मी मैरी यू इज साहिल द इंडिपेंडेंट गाय यू आर. द वे यू आर इंडिपेंडेंट. अब जिस तरीके से आपने मेरी मॉम डैड उन्हें सबकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली है लुकिंग टू दैट I did not even take a single day, you know, and I just said a yes. It's because मुझे हमेशा से कोई इंडिपेंडेंट इंसान चाहता अपनी लाइफ में. The kind of guy you are, the way independent you are, उससे बस पता नहीं. I don't know what to say. I don't know really. The one thing that I want to take out of you is from you is the way positive you are. I want to be positive. मतलब मैं अपनी सारी नेगेटिविटी निकालना चाहती हूँ. I'm trying. I know I'm too negative. I'm trying. ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम ट्राइंग, जस्ट गिव मी सम टाइम. आप हमेशा बोलते हो कि मैं क्रिप करती हूँ, मुझे कुछ टाइम दे दो, आई बी ओके. ऑल आई नीड इज टाइम, बस और कुछ नहीं. I want to be positive and you mean a world to everybody of us. I mean you mean the world to me and Arush. I have nothing more to say. Maybe ये वीडियो में मैंने काफ़ी goof up किया है, but you know how conscious I am. Happy birthday साहिल. आपको इस भगवान सारी खुशी दे, बस इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहती हूँ. Happy birthday. Lots of love from me and Arush.